Shipping code should not feel like a gamble. If release anxiety and endless bug cycles are stalling your roadmap, then your foundation becomes a liability. You not only need quick fixes, you need architectural maturity. That's where GeekyAnts code quality engineering comes in. We move way beyond basic linting. We enforce excellence through a rigorous 60-point audit framework, and we deliver it in 3 precise phases. First, we start with a 2 to 3 week diagnostic. This is a deep dive to catch those silent killers and technical debt before they turn into outages. Next, we move into security hardening. We implement OWASP standards and tighten API integrity to make sure your product is truly enterprise grade. Finally, we set the excellence benchmark. We transition your stack to 80% test coverage and get your deployment times down to under 5 minutes. Whether you're rescuing a legacy stack or hardening an AI engine for production, we've been there. Since 2006, we've helped over 600 clients build products that scale for millions. It's time to stop the bug cycle. Get your code quality audit today, and let's start engineering for excellence.